Given that the sine of theta is negative 5/13 and that theta is between pi and 3 pi over 2, comma, find part A, sine of 2 theta. If only we had a formula for the sine of 2 theta. If only it was on a sheet of paper right in front of you. Yeah, 2 sine u cosine u. Our theta here is u, so 2 sine theta cosine theta. Oh, just barely made it. I'm going to move that lower. Mainly because I like playing with this thing. All right. Well, from the problem, they already tell us that the sine of theta is negative 5/13. But we don't have the cosine of theta. How do you want to find the cosine of theta? What should we do? Let's draw a picture. What quadrant are we in? 3. Very good. We're in the 3rd quadrant. So, in accordance to this angle, namely the reference angle created, what number goes opposite? Negative 5. Because in quadrant 3, the y is negative, so it's got to be the negative 5. And where does the 13 go? Hypotenuse. So what number is adjacent? Negative 12. Why does it have to be negative? Because we're in the 3rd quadrant. Good. So based on this picture, what is cosine? Negative 12/13. Very good. So this will equal 2 times, we were told that the sine is negative 5/13. And based on the picture, we now found cosine to be negative 12/13. All right, what is 2 times 5 times 12? 120 over 13 squared. $169, and the double negatives go away. So the sine of 2 theta is 120 over 169, which I don't think reduces. Part B, cosine of 2 theta. We're going to do the exact same process. We're told the cosine of 2 theta is cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta. Well, this should go a little bit faster, because now we have the individual functions. Remember, cosine squared theta means cosine theta quantity squared. Sine squared theta means sine of theta quantity squared. What is the cosine of theta? Negative 12/13. Minus, what is the sine of theta? Negative 5/13. That's what we're given. Good. What is negative 12/13 quantity squared? Good. Minus negative 5/13 quantity squared. So what's 144 minus 25? Louder vision? Good. Ding, stop. Why? See, sort of a trick question. You don't have to use that formula, which everyone in this room was using, because tangent is the same thing as sine over cosine. Well, we previously found sine to be 120 over 169. You previously found cosine to be 119 over 169. So when you flip and multiply, you get 120 over 119. Done. I know. That's what's called a jerk move. Jerk move. You could totally use the 2 tangent u over 1 minus tangent squared u. Feel free. Let me know how it goes. Or just remember the tangent is sine over cosine. You're welcome. I do it because I care. But D, oh, meat and potatoes. Or if you're vegan, soy and more soy. What quadrant is 2 theta in and why? And I'll narrow it down. You can choose between 1, 2, 3, and 4. We would vote for 3. Okay, just like our normal elections, only 12% of the population voted. Very good. Well, sine is positive 120 over 169. Cosine is positive 119 over 169. Tangent is positive 120 over 119. So sine, cosine, and tangent are all positive, then we must be in quadrant 1. There you go. That's how you know. You cannot say, well, if theta goes between pi and 3 pi over 2, I'll just multiply everything by 2. Go for it. They'll give you 2 quadrants, though. Quadrants 1 and 2. That's not enough information. You actually have to go by the functional values.